5 Best Steam Cleaners for Grout Reviews. Number 1. Light and easy all-in-one mop. Here is a fine specimen of a good steam cleaner for grout. It gives you good results and removes grout easily. The cleaner is detachable and handheld. This allows you to clean more than just grout-stained floors. You can use it as a clothes steamer or even for cleaning upholstery. This gives you versatility when it comes to cleaning. It has 3 heat settings: high, medium and low. This allows you to clean different surfaces depending on the heat setting you want to use. The low setting can be used to clean lighter surfaces. The high setting can help when it comes to cleaning grout and carpets. Number 2. Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop. If you know anything about machines, you know that Bissell is at the forefront of all cleaning revolutions. It is a high-quality steam mop and gives you the most impressive cleaning. It can easily cut through every sticky mess, including grout and grease. Bissell PowerFresh has a perfect balance of heat temperatures to remove dirt quickly and disinfect. It takes only a short time to heat up, so you can be operational in only a few minutes. It does not have any chemicals, so it has the added benefit of being consumer-friendly. This best electric mop also has a wide cleaning surface of 13 inches wide. This can reach outer chairs and can clean even in tight corners. Number 3. McCulloch MC1275 Heavy Duty Cleaner. Here is a machine with many attachments, all for your cleaning needs. And from the name, it is a heavy-duty cleaner. This means it can remove the dirt from heavy-duty surfaces like carpets. It is also good for removing grease and hard dirt like grout. It has one of the most powerful steam temperatures at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This cleans and disinfects a wide range of surfaces. The high-temperature steam proves effective when it comes to cleaning hard and stuck-on messes. Uses no chemicals, so won't cause any harm to you or your family. Number 4. Viso Power Fresh Slim. Are you ready for continuous cleaning? Your answer lies in the Viso Slim Steam Mop. This mop allows you to change pads for non-stop cleaning. It has white pads that you can use for everyday cleaning. It also comes with scrub pads for cleaning hard, stuck-on messes. The hard scrub brushes are what you can use to remove grout from your floors. It is a convertible steam mop that gives you versatility when it comes to cleaning different surfaces. It can be used as a handheld steamer for cleaning countertops, refrigerators and upholstery. You can also convert into a steam mop to clean floors. Number 5. Steam Thermopro 10-inch-1. Now here is a steam cleaner with the utmost versatility. It can clean any surface easily. All you need to do is change the attachments. It works well on hardwood floors and carpets. It can also work on glass doors and windows. The mop can also function as a handheld steamer for cleaning clothes and upholstery. It also has an 11.5 ounces tank. This gives you around 20 minutes of continuous cleaning. It can also be heated to high temperatures to kill germs and disinfect most surfaces. The tank heats up in 30 seconds, making it ready for use quickly. This, combined with the large tank, gives you fast and efficient cleaning. It can be easily adjusted to clean according to the surface you are working on.